Hey there, okay, here's another one. This is going to be the bullish upside Tasuki gap. It's a continuation pattern that consists of 3 candles, and then we wait for the 4th candle as a confirmation of that pattern. But unfortunately, they don't really appear that often. Let's go ahead and show you what the pattern looks like anyway. And we're in basically in an uptrend. Alright. So as you move up in the market, you'll have this like candle like so, and then what will happen is that there will be like a gap. Right, there'll be like a gap up, okay, and then the next candle, which will be a down candle, will have something like that. Excuse my drawing. Now this is supposed to be about halfway from that gap. Alright, so the bulls have taken control, okay, and it has been a big move from where it closed to its new open, and that's formed a gap, okay. Then you're looking for this third bar right here, which is your 3rd day's bar, and you can see where it's actually closed, and it's closed in like around about 50%, around about halfway. Right, it needs to fill up around about half of that gap. Then the next confirmation that you need, obviously, is a bull bar, and it needs to close off higher than the previous high. And if it does, then you can go along on the 5th day. Alright, now as I say, these are pretty hard to find on the chart, and what you're really looking for, I mean, is to try and identify somewhere in the market where it's actually took a leap of faith and bounced up, higher, and then there was just a little retracement for a moment, and then it decided, to keep going up. It's kind of like a false, like a fake reversal, so to speak. So yeah, unfortunately I can't really find a good example within the charts. I might be able to find one as we go through all of these videos, through all these different setups later on, but there's no promise that I will find one. But you can see that it's that well, at least from what I'm trying to show you, that they're very scarce, so you might not need to worry about them so much, okay. Just concentrate on the main ones that make the significant moves. But again, it's still nice to know that when they do appear, that you know what's going to happen in the market. But so try and put that one to memory for a bit, even though you're not going to be using it on a constant basis, because as I say, they're pretty hard to find, these formations. I don't see any kind of like push up and then fills in half the gap on the way down. So what I would do is I will leave you with this short video. I mean, here's kind of one. It's not actually a gap. There's a little bit of daylight there. Then we see this bar comes in and fills in a little bit, but the gap's not big enough. So that was almost close. There was no confirmation on it either, so that was no good. Yeah. Yeah, so I think I will leave this video for the moment, and we'll get in showing you another one, and then hopefully if I do come across that pattern, I'll do like a quick interrupt and go through that pattern again, so you're a little bit more aware of what's going on. Alright, okay, so I'll leave you there for the moment, and I'll see you very soon in the next video. Bye for the moment.